Interwoven destinies. Ramayana's presence in Mahabharata. The ancient epics of India, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, are often viewed as distinct yet interconnected tales of dharma and karma. Surprisingly, several characters from the Ramayana make their presence felt in the Mahabharata, showcasing the cyclical nature of time and the continuity of life in Indian mythology. Hanuman, the eternal devotee. One of the most significant bridges between the two epics is Hanuman, the mighty Vanara and staunch devotee of Lord Rama. In the Mahabharata, Hanuman makes a remarkable appearance during the Pandavas' exile. Arjuna, while seeking celestial weapons, encounters Hanuman. Their meeting leads to Hanuman promising to adorn Arjuna's chariot flag, providing divine protection in the great Kurukshetra war. Jambavan, the wise bear. Jambavan, the ancient and wise bear who played a crucial role in helping Lord Rama locate Sita during the Ramayana, is also mentioned in the Mahabharata. Known for his immense wisdom and strength, Jambavan is said to have witnessed multiple epochs, symbolizing timeless wisdom. Parshuram, the eternal sage. The fiery sage Parshuram, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, spans both epics. He appears in the Ramayana to train young princes in warfare and resurfaces in the Mahabharata as the mentor of Bhishma and Karna. His encounters with both Bhishma and Karna serve as pivotal moments, showcasing his role as a guardian of dharma across ages. Vibhishana's legacy. While Vibhishana, Ravana's righteous brother, does not appear directly in the Mahabharata, his teachings and lineage find subtle echoes. His unwavering commitment to dharma is reflected in the values upheld by characters like Vidura, who served as the moral compass of the Kuru dynasty. Mayasura, the divine architect. Mayasura, the architect who built the magnificent Lanka for Ravana in the Ramayana, also appears in the Mahabharata. He constructs the Maya Sabha, an enchanting hall of illusions, for the Pandavas at Indraprasth, cementing his legacy as a master craftsman. The eternal thread of dharma. These crossovers highlight the eternal principles of dharma that underpin both epics. Characters from the Ramayana remind us of the timeless values and lessons that remain relevant across ages, reiterating the cyclic nature of existence in Sanatana Dharma. As we explore these interwoven tales, they inspire us to delve deeper into the profound wisdom of these epics, understanding how they continue to shape the moral and spiritual fabric of our lives.